I'm back. Okay, so the next items, we're gonna go on the pre-owned toys now. And so we selected the 3 of them, and I hope that I can do that in time. But not sure. Okay, so but let's try that with the first one. Kamen Rider Gris Blizzard 1 DX Gris Blizzard Nuckle, and this was the premium Bandai exclusive, and this is only, I think this is the very first time I found. No, I did that a couple of times, but I never had the chance to open it and then do the demonstrations. But this one, let's do that. See that? It's open. Nice box though. Here, okay. So let's try that. And so first of all, let's open that box. Well, box condition is good. Look at this. And comes with the instructions. Oh, nice. Okay, so oh, 綺麗だね. Okay. Okay, Blizzard Nuckle. So first, let's check that some details here. All right, it's totally empty. Okay, nothing in there. You can still twist and turn the cap. No sounds. See, those we have a castle and robot, owl, and what's this? Maybe Gadak? Not sure. Okay. All right, North Blizzard full bottle. All right, beautiful conditions. Now the next one is the Gris Blizzard Nuckle, and look at the details. No damage, nothing. The batteries are inside here. Okay, looks pretty good. Okay, let's try that. By itself first. Okay, so let me change the camera to the top. All right, so take off. And so Nuckle Asobi, and so we can just bring it down. I'll press the button. Okay, like this. Kansei Nuckle mode. Okay, so you punch with this. Okay, and don't do that. And press the button here. Okay. All right. Now it's just a simply hit the attack mode. Okay. Charge button. Press the charge button for the longer time. Okay. Gris Kenzan. 進化を燃やしてぶっ潰す。さてと、祭りの始まりだ。東洋、動乱、熱狂。誰が俺を満たしてくれるんだよ。これだ。俺が望んでたのはな。 見たんだ。Well, actually, there are so many lines here inside, and then I don't know, I can do everything, okay? But take a look at this one here. Grease Blizzard Nuckle, Serifu, all the list of all the lines, okay? The voice sounds here, and I just played this one, number 9, okay? So that's a long. So many, and starting from 1 to number 42, and there are not just only that, there are some more of the signs here, okay? My goodness, これはすごいね。There's at least just regular lines of the 42. Special line 4, additional one 5 and 10, so that makes the 20. My goodness, nearly over the 60 lines are inside. No wonder people are looking for this. Okay, so it's so much fun to do this, but yeah, I'm sorry, we don't have much time to do this everything. So you will figure it out, okay? So we only have one item of this. Okay. So let's go with the Nuckle Hissatsuwaza Asobi. Okay, so we would use this one here, and Nose Blizzard full bottle goes here. 入れます. Ready? Okay, bottle can. And okay, bottle key, and then this press button. Glacial Knuckle, gachi 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 gachi. Okay. Oh, the release buttons. Okay, so to get that, it needs to press this button. Okay. All right. So first we need to press that, push that, slide that, this, Blizzard one here. And then okay, and glacial attack. Glacial attack. Okay. So that was a single ice, right? And so twin ice. Okay. Huh? もう一回直しか。All right, so Evolved name is here, and so we are in a special safe mode now, and now we need to use that. 鳴らします。Okay. Okay, so all the lines till 4, and then we slide it in the this nose blizzard full bottle. Okay, and so bring that build driver, slide it in. And here we go. All right, so that's the exact sequence that when you saw that Blizzard's last fight. Okay. So like I said, that the instructions is all in Japanese, and I actually it's gonna be quite tough to follow the instructions for the most of the peoples. But I'm pretty sure that there are some, good, better instruction videos and YouTube on YouTube. So I'm pretty sure that you guys can figure it out. And let me just so many lines and so many so much fun with this. I'm very impressed, and no wonder they introduced only from the premium Bandai, but this is very, very nice. Okay. And now we know that Kamen Rider Grease, the special movie will be produced, right? And so he's gonna be back again. So this item is gonna be a very, very good memory for those of who loves the Kamen Rider build. Okay. All right. So thank you very much, everyone. And this is the boxed. Actually, box comes with the box. DX Grease Blizzard Nuckle, and I hope you enjoyed these demonstrations. And you can just activate more sounds that you ever imagined. And so we're going to bring it to our stores tomorrow, Sunday activation at 8 p.m. Japan Standard Time. And good luck. Okay, it's really nice. All right. So thank you very much, everyone. I'll come back. All right. So thank you.